Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a book using the Little Scribe website. Before you start, you needed to have scanned or photographed your kids' work and uploaded them and saved them in a folder somewhere on your computer. Log into the Little Scribe platform and go to Create. You'll see here, Build Your Image Library. So just click on that. You can see I already have some images in my library, but I'm going to upload some more to create my book today. So I go to Upload Images. I find the folder that they're saved in and choose the images that I want to upload. So I'll select these ones, open, and they're uploading into my image library. Go down and you can see this is where they're sitting. Now to create my book, I can either select all of the images that are sitting in my image library, or I just select the ones I want to add for this particular book. I want this one, these ones. Go back up and I'm going to create a draft book. It's just loading and putting the images into my book. Now I need to decide whether I want portrait or landscape. For this book I'm going to choose landscape. And it tells me here that if I want to reorder the pages, I need to drag to change the order and tap to edit a page. To preview, click on preview and see my book. Thank you.